Hi everyone, good afternoon. Thank you for listening to this presentation. My name is Kevin Pacheco. Currently, I am YA student. I'm going to talk about Chichen Itza, a wonder of the world. Firstly, I'm going to talk about a lot of history of Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza, which means of the mouth of the village town, is the second most visited archaeological site in Mexico today. The Kugler Pyramid in Chichen Itza, which is known as the castle in English, and very important, is one of the new 7 wonders of the world. It's amazing. And we're going to talk about the access. It's located in 150 meters Yucatan, taking the route the new 118 tower of the town of the Piste, which is archaeological site is 2 kilometers away. Thirdly, the culture important. This archaeological site is position of the most imposing world of the all, the pyramid of Kukulkan, where twice a year, during the spring of the autumn equinox, the magical power of the light and show the gratitude the appearance of a snake to gradually descend via from the stage of the pyramid to complete the development feature a serpent. It's amazing. I'm going, it's amazing. Besides, Chichen Castle is the most representative building, the first thing that the chemists demand. But in its own, besides Chichen Castle, we can't find other structure. For example, the Sherlock Senate Chichen Itza and the Observatory. It's spectacular, this structure. It's amazing. The schedule from Monday to Sunday from the 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. 5 p.m. Close of the locker and exit at 4 p.m. Close at the internet at the site and 30 to 5 p.m. For last, it's very important the access cost. The cost of the access is 64 pesos. It's important to consider that the government of the state of Yucatan charges an additional fee that must consider it. No more, it's not. It's important also to consider that access to journalism is for every under 13 age student, teacher, and senior with a valid credential. On Sunday, the entrance is for Mexicans and residents. It's free. Amazing. Also, the use of the photography video camera generates an additional payment of the right of 45 pieces. It's very important for the tourists. Okay? Thank you for listening to this presentation. Thank you.